All right, guys, we are doing break number 4 of Hit Parade Big Box Series 6. Still on the lookout for the 3 big ones, Trout, Brady, and Kobe. So this is box 16 out of 25, so hopefully we can find it in this one. So every box has got 5 to 7 autographed memorabilia items in it. And this is a random letter break, so every spot gives you 2 random letters. So there's only 20 letters altogether. We got rid of Q and X and Z and all of those. And so 10 spots total. So Sean H has got 1, Paul M with 1, Marty's got 2, Tony with 1, Tom with 1, Richard's got 1, and then Bill P has got the last 3. All right, so let's see if we can top box number 3. So we'll randomize these letters 5 times. And don't forget, if you guys are just joining us, if you're in this will also, all these spots will be in our our LeBron giveaway coming up here in just a little bit. All right, we'll randomize this 5 times as well. All right, let's try this again. So Bill P, you've got last name or letter. It's W, T, C, N, L, and Y. Marty's got V, B, D, and P. So Marty's got letter B. Paul has S and M. Richard's got K and E. Sean with J and G. Lisa had an H and G. Tom's got A and R. Tony has got H and F. All right, so there are the letters. All right, so B's a good one, man. B and T are the 3 big hits, so let's see what we got. So I don't know if I showed you yet. So 16 out of 25. This box is in pretty good shape. All right. Good luck, fellas. Let's pull something out of here. All right, we got a jersey up first. And it's Lakers colors. Ah, dang it. It's not going to be the Kobe, it's going to be a Magic. Wrong Lakers player, although that's still a pretty good one. JSA certified. So last name J is going to go to Sean. Not bad. Maybe this will be an all Lakers box. All right, here we go. Pretty nice one here. We got a Steve Largent autographed Seahawks jersey. It is David Adams and JSA certified. I don't know if the JSA card's in there, but there's the sticker. And then there's the auto with Hall of Fame inscribed. So that's the last name L, which will go to Bill P. Alright, we got an Incredible Hulk. An Incredible Hulk hand. This is a first for Big Box. It is Dave and Adams certified. There is the auto right there on the base of the thumb. And it is Lou Ferrigno. So I don't know, was this the actor who played Hulk in the movies, the voice of Hulk? That is the last name F, which is going to be Tony. That's pretty cool. See, the big boxes are not eBay, but they're all sold out tonight. But we do have a platinum baseball that we're trying to fill if you want to jump in on that. All right, next we got another helmet. It is a 49er and a guy who's been around a long time. Now with the Colts, I think. The ageless Frank Gore. So JSA certified. Card I think is down inside the helmet. So there you go, man. You didn't want that G, Sean, and then you end up with a Gore helmet. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 items, and it looks like this is the last one. So this, hopefully this is going to be a big item. Donnie, at least it wasn't Montana, man. Alright. Hopefully this is something really cool. Alright, it is a cool one, man. Carlton Fisk. Making the victory lap around Fenway Park. So there is the auto. Dave and Adams certified. I think the card is down in the tube. So that's another F going to Tony. And Donnie wants the Carlton Fisk. So Tony, if you're watching this, or Donnie, was that the Frank Gore that you were interested in? Alright, so that's going to do it on Big Box. So 3 and 4 in the books. We'll try again next weekend for those 3 items. So if you want to jump in, Todd at TennskinBreaks.com. Next weekend will be our last chance to break any of the big boxes from Series 6. So hopefully we can make up for what lacked this evening and hit something big on those last 2. So let me know if you want to jump in, and we'll see you guys next time.